If you're struggling with money right now, listen closely. Because most people are living inside a lie. A financial illusion built by society, schools, even your parents. And unless you wake up, you'll spend your whole life chasing money and never catching it. From the time we're kids, we're told, go to school, get good grades, get a stable job, save a little, retire at 65. That's the formula. But here's the truth. No one says out loud, that formula is broken. It worked in 1950, but we're not in 1950 anymore. Back then, one income could support an entire household. Buy a house, raise 3 kids, take vacations. Now, 2 incomes can barely cover rent and groceries. And most people are living one emergency away from disaster. The cost of living is rising, but the advice hasn't changed. We were told education would guarantee a future. But millions of people today are drowning in student debt, paying $600 a month for a degree that didn't get them the job they were promised. And the interest, it just keeps growing. That's not opportunity, that's a trap. Think about it. You're 18, no financial education, and you sign for tens of thousands in debt because you were told it's the right path. Who profits from that? Now you get a job. You work 40, maybe 50 hours a week. You pay rent, bills, debt, taxes. There's barely anything left. So what do? You put it on the card. Just a little, and a little more, until that card is maxed out. You're not lazy. You're not dumb. You're stuck in a system designed to keep you busy, broke, and distracted. Here's what they don't want you to realize. You are not failing. You are not alone. You are doing what you were told, and it's not working because it was never meant to work. You see, the wealthy play a different game. They don't trade time for money. They trade knowledge, leverage, and systems. They buy assets. They let money work while they sleep. They take calculated risks. They own businesses, not just jobs. And guess what? Most of them didn't get lucky. They got informed. They made mistakes. They learned. And they played the long game. Let me tell you about Mark. He worked in retail for 12 years, always broke, always tired. One day he decided, I'm done being a victim. He started reading 1 book a week. He learned about budgeting, investing, online business. He started freelancing on the side, writing copy. It wasn't much at first. $50 here, $100 there. But he kept going. 2 years later, he quit his job. Now he makes more in a month than he used to make in a year. And it all started with one decision: to learn. That's the power of financial awakening. And you don't need to be a genius. You don't need connections. You just need to decide you've had enough. So how do you break out? Let me give you a roadmap. This won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Step 1. Wake up. Question everything you've been taught about money. Stop taking advice from people who are broke. Look around. What they're doing isn't working. Be bold enough to take a different path. Step 2. Master awareness. Track every dollar. Yes, it sounds boring, but clarity creates control. If you don't know where your money goes, you'll always feel out of control. Start with pen and paper, an app, a spreadsheet, whatever works. Knowledge is power. Step 3. Build high-income skills. In today's world, skills are the new degrees. Learn how to solve valuable problems. Can you sell? Can you market? Can you create? Coding, video editing, UX design, content writing. These are gold mines. The internet has removed all the excuses. Courses are online. Mentors are on YouTube. You can learn for free if you're hungry enough. Step 4. Start a side income. Don't wait to be ready. Start messy. Sell digital products. Flip items. Create content. Consult. Your first dollar from your own skills will change how you see the world. It proves that freedom is possible. Step 5. Understand money flow. Budgeting isn't restriction, it's direction. Saving isn't scarcity, it's strategy. Investing isn't gambling, it's growth. You don't need to know everything, you just need to start. Put $100 into index funds. Open a high-yield savings account. Learn about real estate, stocks, crypto, whatever interests you. Don't follow the hype, follow the data. And be consistent. Because time in the market beats timing the market. Step 6. Mindset. This is the root of it all. Scarcity mindset says, I can't afford it. Abundance mindset asks, how can I afford it? One keeps you stuck. The other opens doors. Speak wealth. Think growth. Stop saying, I'm broke. Start saying, I'm building. Step 7. Choose your circle. You become the average of the people you spend time with. If everyone around you spends, complains, and avoids responsibility, you'll sink too. Find people who want more. Follow people who've built it. Protect your focus. And finally, step 8. Play the long game. This is not a quick fix. This is a lifelong shift. You'll mess up, you'll doubt. But every smart decision compounds. Just like debt can crush you over time, discipline can free you. So, what's your next move? Because now you know the truth. The system is not here to save you, but you can save yourself. Not overnight, but over time, with intention, with action, with belief. You were not meant to live paycheck to paycheck. You were not meant to just survive. You were meant to thrive, to grow, to break cycles, to build a life that makes you proud. And if no one ever told you that, let me be the first. You have what it takes. Now go prove it. By the way, if you are ready to level up your financial literacy and take control of your money mindset, don't forget to show some love by hitting like, subscribing, and turning on the bell so you won't miss future videos. See you in the next one.